We are at the Punggol beach right now, and it's Sunday evening, and we have just come here for a nice evening time. And my baby really loves beach, so we thought to spend some time here. You can just see the Malaysia from here. That's the ship port, and oh my god, on a ship I can actually read China shipping tanker, but I actually don't know what is all that. But there are a lot of ferry in the sea right now, and that is actually the bridge where people, we just had a photo shoot over there, and this is how everything looks right now. There is one wedding photo shoot going on there, so we are going there. And my baby loves to walk in sand, so he's just running quite fast with his dad. So let me just catch hold of those two. So what I'm wearing today is this. It's a frill. So what I'm wearing today is this, and I have my baby in the background. He's playing with the sand, so I will be hiding him. Just kidding. So he's just playing here. There are his sand toys, and we are not letting him to go in water. He's just with the sand, and he's just digging and all that stuff. He totally loves coming to the beaches. My hair is just tied up in a side pony, so that it's not too hot, because it's becoming very hot in Singapore. It is quite hazy today. You see the clouds. It is hazy. It looks like there is a lot of fog. This is all because of the pollution which we get from our neighboring countries, because they are burning palm trees. So it's been like this for past 4 and 5 days. It's been boring. We haven't gone much out because of the haze, but today we thought of coming out. Okay, and coming to my outfit, I am wearing this bracelet, rose gold, just regular watches, my black nail polish, a fossil watch, and I'm wearing this comfy jeggings because I just wanted to come to the beach and be more comfortable. And to the feet I have my toe rings and my nail paint, very nice bright pink color. So this is just a comfy outfit just to hang around the beach and not going anywhere. So I will just catch you guys later. Bye.
Succeeded, Chanu. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, look at this, what I just saw. This is called dragon lizard, I suppose, and it is so scary, and I never expected something like that in the Singapore beach. And nobody knows that, you know, people are just having photo shoot. There you see those people standing there. They are having, I don't know what, is it a wedding shoot or a maternity, because I think it's a maternity photo shoot. I mean, not, yeah, I'm so confused. It's a pregnancy maternity shoot, and that lizard is just here. It's so scary. Oh my god. And it is just looking towards here. Everybody's having their shoot, and my baby is playing there. My husband is just with him. I hope this lizard goes back, and we are actually going out of this place because I'm actually very scared. I'm just leaving it right now. Let me know, what would you have done if you have seen something like this at the beach? It's now the evening time. We just had the ice cream from that ice cream auntie. Whenever we come here, we usually have ice cream from her because she is the only one who sells ice cream here. And in this location, there are so many restaurants here, like multi-cuisine. There is an Indian restaurant by name Curry. That's also nice. And there are a lot of trees and greenery. There is trail here. People come here for cycling. You can rent the cycling and all that. And now, since it's evening time, the sea level is little high and the lighting is on. Across that side of the sea is actually Malaysia. So we have a port over here where we have police and all that for the immigration thing. And I'm just walking through this because we are going to this, what do you call this, bridge kind of thing, to just see. And now it's evening, so we'll just spend a little more time here. And I'm not sure whether we are going to have dinner here or home, because I want to go home and have dinner, my home cooked food, but my husband might want to eat and see my baby. I think I'm ready for another baby, because he's ready to already pull the stroller and he doesn't listen. So these are the Singapore SG50 flags, the 50 years of independence. Okay ma, coming. So my baby is calling me. He's like, come ma, come ma, and he's just pushing the stroller. And see what he's doing. We are saying him no, not to do it, just sit on the stroller or just walk, but he wants to push it. He wants to help us. Wow, that's nice. So that's it. So let's catch you guys later. Hello. Okay. 1, 2